Let us see the third quiz in civil engineering. Let us see the first question. Soundness of the cement is tested by. We have options: A. Plains method, B. Le-Chatelier's method, C. Autoclave method, D. Both autoclave and Le-Chatelier's method. The right option is D. Both autoclave and Le-Chatelier's methods. Expansion of cement is measured by soundness test. Soundness is the ability to resist the volume expansion, and it is the indication of durability. Unsoundness in the cement is due to the presence of excess free lime. The Le-Chatelier's test detects the unsoundness due to free lime alone. This method of testing does not indicate the presence and after effect of excess magnesia. Autoclave test is performed when the magnesia content is more than 3%, and this is sensitive to both lime and magnesia. Let us see the second question. The solvent commonly used for oil paints is. The right option, we have the options: tar, B. petrol, C. aquarium, D. turpentine. The right option is D. turpentine. Turpentine is the traditional solvent used in oil paints. Now petroleum is also being used, not petrol, petroleum. It is based on tree resin and has fast evaporation rate, releasing harmful vapors. Let us see the next question. Which of the following metamorphic rocks has the most weather resisting characteristics? We have the options: A. marble, B. quartzite, C. slate, D. limestone. The right option is B. quartzite, because quartzite is a non-foliated metamorphic rock which is formed by the metamorphism of sandstone subjected to heat and pressure. It has the most weather resisting characteristics among the marble, slate, and limestone. Quartzite is used for decorative purposes and may be used to cover the walls, roofing, tiles, flooring, and stair steps. Let us see the fourth question. The maximum twisting moment of a shaft can resist is the product of permissible shear stress and dash. We have the options: A. moment of inertia, B. polar moment of inertia, C. modulus of rigidity, D. polar modulus. The right option is D. polar modulus, because from the torsion equation T by J is equal to Z theta by L is equal to tau by R. If we take only the terms T by J and tau by R, so it is clearly T is equal to tau into J by R. J is the polar moment of inertia divided by radius will give you polar modulus. We'll see the next question. The detention period of a septic tank is of the order of. You have the options: A. 2 to 6 hours, B. 2 to 4 hours, C. 12 to 36 hours, D. 4 to 8 hours. The right option is C. 12 to 36 hours. As per IS code specifications, the detention period of septic tank is 24 to 48 hours. A septic tank may be defined as the primary sedimentation tank with longer detention period, that is 12 to 36 hours, and with extra provision of digestion of the settled sludge. Detention time is the theoretical or calculated time required for given amount of water or wastewater to pass through a tank at a given rate of flow. Let us see the next question. The point of contraflexure in a laterally loaded beam occurs when. We have the options: A. shear force changes its sign, B. shear force is minimum, C. shear force is maximum, D. bending moment changes its sign. The right option is D. bending moment changes its sign, because we have points of inflection, points of contraflexure. Point of inflection is where the bending moment touches zero, and point of contraflexure is bending moment reaching to zero while moving from positive to negative or negative to positive magnitude. We shall see the next question. Partial safety factor for the material is considered for concrete is. We have the options: A. 1.15, B. 2.0, C. 1.5, D. 0.87. The right option is C. 1.5. Actually, the factor of safety is, for ductile material, it is ultimate strength by working stress or design stress. For ductile material, it is yield strength by working or design stress. For brittle material, it is ultimate strength by working stress. So it was in reverse. Please check that. Factor of safety is actually the ability of system structural capacity to be viable beyond its expected or actual loads. Let us see the next question. Pitot tube is used for measurement of dash. We have the options: A. Low pressures, B. Flow of ideal fluid only, C. Velocity at a point, D. Discharge. The right option is C. Velocity at a point. The Pitot tube principle uses two pipes to convey the fluid pressures to the sensing element in such a manner that the difference in pressure between two is proportional to the flow velocity. From this, the media details and the pipe size, the actual flow rate can be calculated. Let us see the next question. The difference between the total headline and the hydraulic grade line represents. We have the options: A. Velocity head, B. The piezometric head, C. The pressure head, D. The elevation head. The right option is B. Piezometric head. Piezometric head is indirectly measuring the potential energy of the water by measuring the height of water at a given point. Piezometric head is measured by using the elevation of the water surface in a well or height of water in a standpipe attached to a pipe containing water under pressure. Let us see the last question. When chlorine is added beyond the breakpoint, the process of treating water is known as dash. We have the options: A. Plain chlorination, B. Superchlorination, C. Post-chlorination, D. Dechlorination. The right option is B. Superchlorination. Superchlorination is when excess chlorine 5 to 15 milligrams per liter is added during an epidemic, such that it gives the residual of 1 to 2 milligrams per liter beyond the breakpoint, is called superchlorination. If the chlorine is applied beyond the stage of breakpoint, then the water is called as superchlorinated. Superchlorination is followed by dechlorination. That's it for the day. Let us meet in the next quiz. Thank you.